Now let us solve the next question. Compare the fractions and put an appropriate sign. Now the first question, 3 by 6 dash 5 by 6. So when the denominators are equal, now the fraction with lesser numerator is less than the fraction with larger numerator. Now if you compare the numerators here, 3, 5, so 3 less than 5, so then we can say that 3 by 6 less than 5 by 6. Now in the second question, 1 by 7 dash 1 by 4. So but here the numerators are equal. If the numerators are equal, now the fraction with larger denominator is less than the fraction with smaller denominator. Now here 1, 1 both numerators are equal. So when you compare the denominators 7 and 4, 7 greater than 4, but 1 by 7 is less than 1 by 4. Next 4 by 5 and 5 by 5. So in these two fractions the denominators are equal. So when you compare the numerators, 4 less than 5, so then 4 by 5 is less than 5 by 5. Next 3 by 5 dash 3 by 7. So here also both numerators are equal. So when you compare the denominators, 5 less than 7, but 3 by 5 is greater than 3 by 7. Next, fill in the blanks. With less than, greater than or equal to sign. Now in the first question, 1 by 2 dash 1 by 5. So here the numerators are equal. So when you compare the denominators, now the first question, 1 by 2 dash 1 by 5. So in this the numerators are equal. So then actually 2 less than 5, but here 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 5. Next 2 by 4 dash 3 by 6. If we write 2 by 4 in the simplest form, so we get 1 by 2, and even 3 by 6 in the simplest form, 1 by 2. So these two fractions are equal. So here also, so these two are equal. Next 3 by 5 dash 2 by 3. Here the denominators are not equal, the numerators are not equal, and even they are in the simplest form. So then how to compare these two fractions? So then let us do one thing. So we will do the cross multiplication as 3 into 3 dash 2 into 5. Now 3 3s are 9 dash 2 5s are 10. So here 9 less than 10. So then 3 by 5 is less than 2 by 3. Next 3 by 4 dash 2 by 8. Now this 3 by 4 is already written in the simplest form. So this is 3 by 4 dash, if you write 2 by 8 in the simplest form, so this is 1 by 4. Now if you write 2 by 8 in the simplest form, so we get 1 by 4. Now when you observe the denominators, so the denominators are equal. So then 3 is greater than 1, so then 3 by 4 is greater than 1 by 4. So here also 3 by 4 is greater than 2 by 8. Next 7 by 9 dash 3 by 9. So here the denominators are already equal. So when you compare the numerators, 7 is greater than 3. So then 7 by 9 is greater than 3 by 9. Next 6 by 10 dash 4 by 5. So here the 6 by 10, if you write in the simplest form, we get 3 by 5 dash 4 by 5. So then when the denominators are equal, so then you can compare the numerators. 3 is less than 4, so then 3 by 5 is less than 4 by 5. So even 6 by 10 is less than 4 by 5. Next 3 by 4 dash 7 by 8. So here the numerators are not equal or the denominators are not equal. So then we can write the equivalent fraction of 3 by 4 with the denominator 8. So then multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. So then 3 2s are 6 by 4 2s are 8 dash 7 by 8. Now the denominators are equal. So then 6 less than 7, then 6 by 8 less than 7 by 8. So even 3 by 4 is less than 7 by 8. Next 5 by 7 dash 15 by 21. Here 5 by 7 is in the simplest form. 5 by 7 dash, if you write 15 by 21 in the simplest form, so we can write 5 by 7. 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21. So we get 5 by 7. So here 5 by 7 equal to 5 by 7. So here 5 by 7 is same as 15 by 21. So these two are equivalent fractions. Now let's solve the next question. The following fractions represent just 3 different numbers. Separate them into 3 groups of equivalent fractions by changing to the simplest form. Now all the different fractions represent only 3 different numbers. So then by changing each one to its simplest form, so we should separate them. So the first fraction is 2 by 12. So if you write the equivalent fraction of 2 by 12, so if both numerator and denominator are divided by 2, so then 2 divided by 2 by 12 divided by 2. So then we get 1, 2 divided by 2 is 1 by 12 divided by 2 is 6. So this is 1 by 6. Next 3 by 15. So here both numerator and denominator are divided by 3. So then 3 divided by 3 by 15 divided by 3. So this equals to 3 by 3 is 1 by 15 by 3 is 5. Next 8 by 50. So here both are divided by 2. Both numerator and denominator are divided by 2. So then 8 divided by 2 by 50 divided by 2. So this equals to 8 by 2 is 4 by 50 by 2 is 25. So it represents 4 by 25. Now here we got 3 different numbers. Now let us check the other 3 fractions also. So 16 by 100. So if both numerator and denominator are divided by 4. So then 16 divided by 4 by 100 divided by 4. So 16 by 4 is 4 by 100 by 4 is 25. So this is 4 by 25. Next 10 by 60. So this both numerator and denominator are divided by 10. So 10 divided by 10 by 60 divided by 10. So we get 10 by 10 is 1 by 60 by 10 is 6. So this is 1 by 6. Next 15 by 75. So if both numerator and denominator are divided by 15, so then 15 by 15 divided by 75 by 15. So then 15 divided by 15 is 1 by 75 by 15 is 5. So this is 1 by 5. Now let us do the next question. Find answers to the following. Write and indicate how you solve them. The first question is 5 by 9 equal to 4 by 5. So when you compare both the fractions, either the denominators are not equal or the numerators are not equal. So first let us make the denominators equal. So the LCM of 9 and 5 is 45. So then 5 by 9 can be written as 5 by 9 into, to make the denominator 45, so 9, the denominator 9 should be multiplied by 5. So even the numerator also multiplied by 5. So then we get 5 5s are 25 by 9 5s are 45. So then 4 by 5 equals to 4 by 5 into, so to make the denominator 45, 5 should be multiplied by 9. So even the numerator also multiplied by 9. So then we get 4 9s are 36 by 5 9s are 45. So both the denominators are equal but numerators are not equal. So we can say that no 5 by 9 is not equal to 4 by 5. Next, is 4 by 5 equal to 16 by 20? So here 4 by 5 can be written as in the simplest form also 4 by 5. So then 16 by 20, if you write in the simplest form, so 16 divided by 4 by 20 divided by 4. If both numerator and denominator are divided by 4, so then we get 16 by 4 is 4 by 20 by 4 is 5. So yes, the two fractions are equal. 4 by 5 equal to 16 by 20. Now let's see the next question. Kavita read 25 pages of a book containing 100 pages. Lalita read 2 by 5 of the same book. Who read less? So here the first person, Kavita read 25 pages of a book containing 100 pages, means out of 100 pages she read only 25 pages. So the fraction of book read by Kavita equals to 25 out of 100. So then if you write the simplest form, so we get, if you divide both numerator and denominator by 5, so we get 25 divided by 5 by 100 divided by 5. So we get 25 by 5 is 5 by 100 by 5 is 20. Now fraction of the book read by Lalita equals to 2 by 5. So when you compare the denominators, so here the denominators are not equal, so then we write 5 by 20 as in the simplest form as 1 by 5 ones are 5 and 5 fours are 20, so we write 1 by 4. So even though we cannot compare both the fractions 1 by 4 and 2 by 5, so because their denominators are not equal or the numerators are not equal, so then 1 by 4, 2 by 5. So to make the denominators equal, so we multiply numerator and denominator of 1 by 4 by 5. So then we get 1 5 are 5 by 4 5 are 20, and here 2 by 5 means we can take the same fraction 5 by 20 as it is, and to make the denominator 2 by 5 as 20, so we multiply both by 4. So 2 4s are 8 by 5 4s are 20. So then 2 by 5 is same as 8 by 20, and 25 by 100 is same as 5 by 20. So when you equate the denominators 20 20 and you compare the numerators 5 and 8, so here 5 less than 8, so 5 by 20 less than 8 by 20. So then Kavita read less, so I can write that therefore Kavita read less.
If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel to get more videos on CBSE syllabus.